For climbing, we finalized our designing of the elevator mechanism that will vertically control acquisitions mechanism. The acquisition mechanism will rotate around and hold the platform supporting the hooks, and elevator will lift it up. This week, we finished integrating our CAD with the other mechanisms, and we've ordered our parts. Next week, we'll start building.
The motors we decided to use were motors that weren't Sims because they were able to fit in a 2x2 channel, and we decided to gear them down with planetary gearboxes. For attaching our arms, we're grabbing a window motor and we're putting it on a support, which will then connect to our arms by having a hex shaft, which would then pivot our arms 180 degrees by moving the arms with the shaft. We were able to finish CADing our design by week 3, and we want to begin fabricating by week 4.
For our chassis this week, we finished assembling the majority of the programming robot, as well as cutting most of the pieces for Robot 1. And next week we hope to have Robot 1 fully assembled by Wednesday or Thursday.
So the importance of an encoder would be to be able to go to the right height we want. So in autonomous this year, one of our goals is to put a cube in the highest part of the scale. So to do that in autonomous, like no human interaction, we would want the elevator to go to the certain height. In order to do that, we would use an encoder to get the values from the motor and basically use code to tell it when to stop and when to keep going.
Recently, we've been working on creating a new website, so we've been researching which platforms would be the best one to use. So we've been looking at Weebly, Squarespace, and Wix, and we recently decided on Wix. So right now, we're kind of going through with that and seeing if that's the best website to choose, but we're still kind of experimenting with multiple ones. But for now, we're just going to actually create it and put like little elements and parts into the website and see which one works best.